Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
I beg your pardon?
Oh. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were gay.
No, I'm not.
No. Well, still best to be on the safe side, eh, sir? Now then, you sure you're not gay?
No.
Not gay or not sure? Look, I'll put you down as I don't know.
Where?
On the travel form, sir.
Why?
Well, best to not have any nasty misunderstandings on holiday, eh, sir? Whew, the stories I could tell you. Now, it was a holiday, I take it. Or rather, you take it. I don't take it, I just give it to you. I don't even give it to you. You pay for the damn thing.
Yes.
Shut up. I'll put you down on the transvestite tour to Tunisia. Right. Now then, you want an interesting time? Plenty of experiences, lots of fun, no questions asked?
No, I want a holiday.
Oh, you are a sport. Right, so, where to?
Germany.
Germany, eh? Anybody see you come in?
No, I didn't.
Well, better not take any chances. I'll close for lunch. Right, sir. Here's your passport. It's in the name of André Jacquemin. You're a Breton sailor on sick leave. You're on your way to Dusseldorf to see your stepsister Helga, a textile machinist from Bochum. Here's a picture of Helga with husband Klaus and baby Horst. That's Blitzen, their dog. Right. You want a travel permit, aliens papers, and a German railway warrant. Here you are. Put this beret on. Good. And I think the moustache. Yes, fine. And just the bread. Right. Under the counter, down the tunnel. I'll keep watch by the door. OK?
Now look here.
Wait a minute, man. There's no time to lose. Quickly, they change the guards every 10 minutes. Look out! Oh, that was close. Right, still want to change your mind?
No.
Good man, down the hatch.
Cheers.
No, down the hatch.
Oh, the hatch.
And remember, the password is Bremner.
Billy Bremner. Got it.
Oh, no, silly me, sorry. Bremen, I always get them confused.
Bremen.
That's right, Billy Bremen. And remember, if you're caught as a civilian tourist, they'll show no mercy. Bite on this and count to 10.
Cyanide?
Sure, but makes you feel better. Is the travel agent cracked? Where is the customer going? Wait just a minute whilst the writer has a jolly good think.
Bremen?
Mazel tov.
Ah, is this the right way to Dusseldorf?
No, you got it wrong, mate. This is the transvestite tour to Tunisia.
Oh.
Germany's through that door over there.
Mr. Grimwade,
Yes?
can you walk this way?
Such feed lines from an Arab.
Over here.
Right away. Cheerio.
Bye. Have a nice holiday.
Holiday? You call this a holiday? You call this a holiday? When I was a little boy, maybe 10, 11.
No
It's-
reminiscences.
See what I mean? Holiday indeed. No.
Well, lads, here he is, direct from the dock of the town, Tunisia, Vera Sharif.
He's good, you know.
Really?
Yeah. You sure you're not gay?
Yes, quite sure.
No, please yourself. Through that door over there, and good luck.
Thank you.
Falling in love again, never wanted to. What am I to do? I can't help it.
Hello,
Hello, darling.
Oh, hello.
You come down the apples and pears to see old Rita, then?
Well, possibly.
Aren't you the little darling, then? How'd you like it?
What?
How'd you want it?
What?
How would you like me to give it to you?
What?
Your travel currency, dear.
Oh, in Deutschmarks, please.
Oh, honestly, you men are all the same. Luckily.
Take me with you, please. I'll do anything. Just
No,
take me with
dear,
you.
Come
What,
away.
please?
Come along.
Well, what does she want?
Oh, don't mind her, dear. She's in travel insurance. After a few months, insurance can start to get you like that.
Yes.
Mind you, it's always worthwhile being insured.
Oh, yes.
Are you insured?
No, not yet,
Oh, you should be. It's always worthwhile. So, what sort of policy would you like, then?
What?
Now, this one matures after 25 years. You get an interest-free bonus and £10,000 cash on maturity. In the unlikely event of your decease, your beneficiary, whomsoever you care to nominate, will get a tax-free bonus of £20,000 cash on the nail.
20,000.
Oh, it does sound good, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Well, just sign it, dear.
I just love fully insured men.
Do you?
Just for me.
All right.
Oh, terrific.
Well done, old chap.
Very good, sir. You'll never regret it. A fully comprehensive insurance policy is someone no one can afford to be without these days.
Jolly well done, and well done, Miss Hargreaves.
Thank you, Mr. Grimwade. Show go well.
Oh, audience a bit so-so, they love the dancing. And who's the clever boy, eh?
Isn't it lovely?
Yes, another victim of unscrupulous insurance salesmen. You have been warned. Be on your guard.